Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn Python programming language. Okay, because I mean in upcoming classes I will tell like machine learning and deep learning and NLP, all things. So Python is most important. So I will tell how much requirement for the data science Python I will tell. Okay, so it will be like dividing into parts also. Okay. So today I will just introduction our Python programming language. So why we use, where we use, and where we can handle, and what is the applications today we will learn. Okay, and I will tell like what is Python and where we use Python. So I already tell now. So from the this is total introduction of the Python. Okay, so what is Python? Okay, it is very easy. If you don't know, it will be hard for the in upcoming classes like when we are learning like EDA, exploratory data analysis, or machine learning, or deep learning, or NLP, or otherwise in advanced now present trending knowledge like generative AI also, it will be harder. So that's why I am concluding that I was doing the Python video also. For how much requirement for the data science, I will tell the Python. Okay, so it is very easy. We are learning English now. Like that only we have to learn like Python also. Yeah. So what is Python? I will tell first point here. Python is high level language. Okay. And next point is here. It is interpreted language. Okay. Another point is it is general purpose programming language. Okay. So this is a Python. Okay. Do you know who is invented the Python? Do you know when it is released the Python? If anyone know, you can comment it. Okay. So here the Python was the Python is, I will tell in simple way. Okay. So it created by Guru and Rossum. Okay. He is the inventor by the Python. Okay. Do you know in which year release? It released in 1991. Yeah, it is earlier like, okay. So this is the Python. He is the inventor by the Guru and Rossum. And in the which year? In the year of 1991. Okay. So this is the a normal Python introduction. Okay. I will tell what are the year futures of the Python here. Okay. It's very easy. If you learn Python, you can crack anything. It's simple. Okay. I will write you a simple example. So what is Python? If you know hello world. Okay, now we are going to just a simple program. See how it will be like a, you can see how readable Python coded, and it almost looks like a normal English only. So this is a Python program of the example. Okay, it is a simple example of the hello world program. Almost all people know. Okay, so this is why means it almost look like a English normal, like English language only. Okay, so now we will see the future of Python. Okay, so here it will be like, the first one is simple and readable. Okay, so we will discuss the first one, what is simple and readable. So here Python syntax is very simple and easy to understand. So this is the first point. And if you don't know, it will be even a beginner can read Python code without confusion. Okay, any student, there is no confusion of Python. If you like a, if you don't know any language also, the Pythons are very easy. So you can understand also. Yeah, you can understand. It it easy, very easy. If you learn Python, it can be very easy, and you can do like a so many projects with Python, beautiful projects you can do it. Yeah, I will tell one simple example here. Okay, just a minute. If you take example now, print welcome to Python. Okay, so this is a like simple and readable. Okay, so this is the example of the simple and readable Python. Okay, everyone understand? Okay, so we will go to next feature. What is the next feature? All are waiting now, so don't worry, I will tell it. So next one is interpreted language. Okay, what is interpreted language here? Do you know? Hey, it is very easy. If you, okay, what is interpreted language here? I will tell. Wait. So Python is an interpreted language. Okay, so here this means Python code is executed line by line. Okay, this is most important. So we makes debugging easy. Okay, so interpreted language means like line by line it will be execution will be going. Okay, so this is the Python. So this we can call it as interpreted language. Okay, this is what is the second feature of the important. Okay, so now we will see the what is the third point of the feature of the important in the Python. Okay, what is third one? It is very much important. You know, all of you know. Okay, what it is? Object oriented. Okay, In many of language, like if you take any example of like Java, Python, or anything, it will be like oops will be there, no? So that thing, object-oriented programming. I will tell what it is. Here Python follows object oriented programming language. Okay, so here object programming, and which is your concepts like class and object. Okay, in Python, when you're going to like advanced Python, so there will be like class and object. Yeah, there are a most important thing I will say in next upcoming videos also. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so this is a what is a object oriented Python language. Okay, and and this helps in writing reusable and modular code. Okay, so I will tell in a simple way. Okay, so in real world problem can be represented using objects only. Okay, so this is a object oriented programming. By using what like class and objects we can do it. So this is the third feature of the object oriented. Okay, did you understand? Okay, so what is next? Fourth one, what is the first fourth one? Dynamically typed. Okay, so all are waiting for the what is dynamically typed here. No, so here in Python we do not need to declare data types explicitly. Okay, did you understand? Not like Java. Okay, did you understand? So again, next point is Python automatically understand the data type during execution. Okay, so when you're writing Python code, so it will be understand the what is the which data type. It is an integer data type, or it is a float data type, or it is a single data type. So it will be known Python program. So that's why here, not like Java, we have to implement Java specifically into like with what you are giving the number, we have to mention like into 64 or into 3 or in 4 like that. If you write any string, we have to write object. Okay, so we have to declare in the Java, but here not, it is not like a Java. In a simple we can write. Yeah, see, I will tell one example also here. So just a minute. So if you take here example, okay, x is nothing but here variable, okay, equal to 10. Okay, another one is y is nothing but it is variable, okay, equal to Python. So it will be understood automatically by using the Python code only. Okay, for the Python language only. Again, you don't go to like Java. We have to specifically initialize in Java. But here Python itself it will be understand. So that's why what is the point here? We do not need to declare the data types here explicitly. So that's why I write here first one. This is main important. And what is second point? Python automatically understand the data type during execution only. Okay, so when you are writing the code, so I want output, so that time it will be automatically understand the Python. So this is the most beautiful. So in the Python, this is most important. No, so how is Python beautiful here? So that's why. So that's why the real world, all companies are using, like big companies, any company, Python is using with the integrating with now AI. So that's why in upcoming next to like 3 years or 4 years or upcoming like 5 years, totally changed in place of humans, replaced by the robots only. If you know, in Dubai, barber means like hair cutting. So no, so in our Indian, we have to go to shop, barber shop, and there will be haircut. It will be take time also. But in Dubai, implemented machine only. Just if you head in the like a machine, it will be totally your haircut within the 1 minute. See how it integrated with the AI and how it like machines will be working in future. The Dubai is famous now. You know, dolphins are in Dubai only. Like so much beautiful. Like so that's why we have to learn Python. Okay. So what is next one here? What is fifth one here? Extensive libraries. Okay. So here especially Python has a huge collection of built-in and external libraries. Okay, so now these libraries helps us perform complex tasks easily. Okay, I will tell now example. If you want example, already we discussed in previous class. Yeah, NumPy, pandas, TensorFlow, next Flask. Okay, I already telling you NumPy also. What is NumPy here? Numerical operations. Okay, this is NumPy. And what is pandas here? Data analysis. Okay, in upcoming classes, in upcoming videos, I will take this one also. TensorFlow and Flask also. What is TensorFlow? Here will be used like machine learning. Okay, and in Flask, do you know? Here it is like a very famous. Okay, web applications we use. So this is the example of the extension of libraries. Okay, now we will see the sixth one. What is sixth one here? Sixth one is cross platform. Okay, what is mean by here cross platform? Here Python is a cross platform language. Okay, do you understand? Okay, Python is a cross-platform language. So here Python program written on Windows can run on Linux or Mac without changes. Okay, so this is the sixth one is cross-platform is. Okay, so this is the main feature of the Python. Okay, like features of the Python. Now we will see. Okay, did you understand? Okay, so we will go to next step. Now we will see why we use Python. Generally, why we use Python? Python is used because it makes program faster and easier. Okay, so your main point is it is easy to learn. Okay, next one is here less code, and one point is here faster development also. Okay, again here it is huge community support also, and next one is here it is high demand in industry. Okay, so that's why the Pythons we will use here. Yeah, so this is a why we use the Python. Okay, so now we will go to where we use Python. Okay, where we will Python here. Python is used in many real world applications also. Now I will read like one by one here. Okay, first one is web application. Okay, web application nothing but like Django Flask. Okay, next one is our part here, data science. Okay, so what is data science here? Data analysis and visualization also. Before I use with Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and one workshop also like Plotty. I used for the NumPy numerical operations with help of Python only. That is third party. Yeah. Again Pandas for the data cleaning purpose. Yeah. So that's why. Again in upcoming concept we will use like machine learning and AI. Okay. Next one is automation. Automation is nothing but like testing and scripting also. That is automation. Okay. Another one is software development. Last point is here cyber security. In cyber security also we will use it Python. Yeah, in cyber security we will use it Python. Yeah. In internally there will be including like Python only. Okay. So the most of the companies people will use like Google, Amazon, Netflix, Instagram. All these companies will use integrated with the Python only. Yeah. So many companies are using like Python. Okay. This is a Python. So in where we use. Now we will discuss purpose of the Python. Okay, purpose of Python. The main purpose of Python is to simplify programming. Okay, so here what is the purpose of Python here? Solve real world problems. Okay, next one is here built intelligence system. Another point is here most thing is here reduce complexity. And last one, save development time. So this is the purpose of the Python. Yeah. In real life, the Python allows developers to focus on logical instead of syntax. Okay. This is the main important. When we see so many companies will be used like to solve the real world problems in upcoming like generative AI or agentic AI. In that programming world, so we use the Python only. That is a Python is very beautiful. If you learn the Python, you can go wherever and you can go. The companies will be hear you easily. Yeah, this is my promise. Okay. So I conclude that Python is one of the most powerful and beginner friendly programming language because of its simplicity and features and wide uses. And Python is the best language to start your programming journey. Okay. So this is my Python. If you learn Python, it can be easy. Okay. I today what I said here, what is Python and the features of the Python and where we use the Python and purpose of the Python. Okay. So this is a Python. Okay. I will tell in upcoming classes what is like I will divide into parts. Okay. For the how much data science requirement required for the Python, that much I will tell. Okay. So that much I will do the Python concepts very real. Okay. So if you learn Python, you can do easily like NumPy, Pandas, EDA means exploratory data analysis and machine learning and deep learning and generative AI, and you can also do like agentic AI. If you know in upcoming maybe in the like after 1 year 2 years maybe the another language like uh, another language or another any it will become like there in machine learning deep learning anything any name it will be generated. So in that also we have to use it Python only. If you know Python only you can do it, otherwise you cannot do it anything. Okay, so justly you take a spoon and pour the water and just to jump it. Okay, so this is my advance. So you must read the Python. So in upcoming content I will take with easily how to read the Python and how to where I said in this concept, so I will implementing in though in upcoming concepts. Okay, you can understand it will be easily. Okay, so you don't worry. Okay, so this is a Python. So okay, so thank you. uh, and like share and subscribe. Okay, and share your friends also, it will be very easily. Okay, so thank you once again, thank you.